Hey everyone, this is Mukesh Otwani once again from learn-automation.com. Today in this lecture, I will talk about how you can run Python script from the terminal or from, I will say, command prompt. Okay, so till now we have seen how do we work with the editors, right? And how do we run the Python scripts from the editor. But I will be creating a small Python file and I will be running that Python script from command prompt. So let me show you. So this is my notepad. You can use notepad, notepad plus plus or any other editor. I'm just going to write a small Python script and I will run it, but you can also have a lengthy or end-to-end script and you can run in the same manner. So I will be using just a print statement, or I will say print function, and I will be just printing a small string and I will say hello Python. Okay, and I will simply just save this file. So let me just write and save this file. So I will press Ctrl S, or I will just go to file and save as, and I will be storing this into a particular folder. So on desktop I have created one blank folder called Python files, and here I will be storing this script or this file as .py extension. Okay, so in double quotes I will say my python.py, and I will hit enter, which is nothing but save file, and I will just go back to my terminal or command prompt. As you can see, right now I am under user folder, and you can see this is my folder Python files, and this is the file that we created. So I just want to run this. So let me copy the path and I will open terminal or command prompt. I will simply navigate to that particular folder where my Python script is available. I will just type cd and I will just give the path. So I will just paste it, and you can see it is under desktop Python files. Hit enter, and if I just type dir, so you can see I can see my Python file is here, which is my python.py. So how do we run? It's very straightforward. Just you need to type Python space and you need to provide the file name. In our case, file name is my python, and press tab and you can see it says my python.py file, and hit enter, and you can see now we have hello Python. So we have written a small Python script and we executed from command prompt. Right now let me just do quick modification here. I will surround this into a function. I will just create a function with the help of def, and I will just give this function name is hello world. Okay, colon, and I will just keep 4 spaces, 1 2 3 4. So this is my function, which is hello world. Now let me quickly call this function. So I will say hello underscore world and pair of parentheses, Control S. Maybe I will just type this hello Python from Mukesh, Control S. Again I will go back to my command prompt. Now again I will type Python, and again I will say my python.py file, and the moment I hit enter you can see it executed and it says hello Python from Mukesh. So it's very straightforward, guys. Just you need to say Python and give a space and follow it with your Python script that you want to run. Now if you want to do the same thing from your editor, so let's say I have created one demo.py file, and again I will create the same, let's say hello world function, put colon, and I will just say print my first Python program. Okay, so earlier we used to just right click and run, right? Now if you can see one option called terminal here. So if you don't want to open a command prompt and do, you can do from here as well. So right now I am under Python tutorials, which is nothing but this path, Python tutorials. So in the same directory I have this demo.py file. In case this file is available under some other package, then first of all you need to navigate to that package and then you can run. Right now it is under my home directory, so I can just type again Python, and which is the file name demo.py, which is capital D. Okay, so my mistake, I have created a function but I have not called. So let me quickly call this function, which is hello world, Control S, and let's execute once again, and you can see I got my first Python program. In case if you want to run any program which is available under some package, so let's say I want to run this while loop demo.py file, which is under while loop demos. So first of all, I will navigate, I will say cd and I will navigate under while loop demos. So right now I'm under the same folder or package. Now again I will say Python and I will say while loop demo.py file. So this is how you can run. If you open this while loop program, it simply keeps on running infinite. It will never stop. Okay, so I have to stop this using Control C, which is keyboard interrupt. So very easy. Just open command prompt, just type Python followed by a Python file from your terminal or from your PyCharm. Just open this terminal and you can continue. Okay, that's a quick video, but yeah, very useful, because the moment you work with real projects, you will not get edited always. So you need to use all these terminal and command prompts. Yeah, I hope this session was useful. If yes, then hit the like button, and in case if you're new to this channel, then please subscribe, share with your friends, and I will see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.